Hey everybody, this video I'm going to talk about some master lock combination locks. I'm sure you've all seen videos on this model being decoded without any tools or anything. And so, basically if it's in the correct spot, put some, pull on the shackle, the wheel has a lot of wiggle to it. Wrong spot, it's real tight. So that's how you go through and figure it out. Now this one here looks a lot bigger and beefier and everything, and it's the same thing, set your own combination. And ran into some of these at a field the other day, needed to get them off, and so I thought I would try the same method, and much to my chagrin or whatever, it worked. So I'd buy one and show you guys. Get out of the package here. This is probably going to be the hardest part of this. Alright, so out of the package, and I thought these things came set to all zeros, but maybe they don't. I've never actually bought one before. Yeah, it's supposed to be all zeros, but obviously not opening. So see if we can. I didn't plan on having to decode it out of the package. See, it's really tight, 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 tight. So roll them all one. Pull on it. Okay, so that's one. And roll these three. The fourth one was already wiggly. Roll these two. So this one actually was 6521. That's interesting, the package has it on zero, so I'm not sure how that got changed right out of the package. But anyway, I thought I was going to have to actually change the combination to actually demonstrate that. But that is how you decode them, and it works just as easily on this one as it does on this one. So I guess, I don't know. I think it's pretty cool that it works like that, for me to get them off of things anyway without having to cut them or destroy them or anything. But if you want a good combination lock, you probably should get one of the Sesame ones. These are much better as far as combination padlocks go. But anyway, that's all we got for now, and we'll talk to everybody later. Alright, one more thing here. I was getting ready to throw the package away. I noticed on the back it says cut here for preset combination. All the instructions just have zeros and zeros, so I thought they just came set to zero, but it tells you to cut there for the preset combination, which is, we already figured out, is 6521, which, well, let's cut here anyway and just see what it looks like. I guess if they had it all zeros like that, I guess somebody could get it out of the package and steal it, I guess. Yep, 6521. So just learned something there, because I've never bought one of these or sold one or anything, and I don't think I ever would recommend these to anybody. So anyway, that will actually really do it for now, and we'll talk to everybody later.